Hello students, we have already completed more than 15 patterns in the previous videos. In this lecture, I am going to discuss about these patterns. First of all, understand about these patterns. First one is 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is a simple pattern. What about the second pattern? In second pattern, third line is in reverse order and the fifth line is also in reverse order. And what about the third pattern? Second line and fourth line is in reverse order. Okay. First of all, the main function, then the requirement of two variables, then for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, then I plus plus, and then second for loop, j is equal to 1, j less than equal to I. If you try at your own level, then it's very good. You can understand the content. You can produce new patterns also. It means I can print the value 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is the first pattern basically. We have already completed this one. This one is the first pattern 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right here, print then new line. Place some gap here, then execute. This one is the pattern 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now our target is we have to reverse the third and fifth line. Third and fifth line. First line, if I reverse the first one, it means it will remain as it is. It means if the value of I is odd, if I is odd, I have to reverse the value. Now what I have to do, apply if condition here. If I modulus 2 is equal to 0, Control X, Control V. This one, if I modulus 2 is equal to 0, j varies from 1 to I. If the value is even, second and fourth, the content will remain as it is. Let's execute the program. You can print the second and fourth row only. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is okay. Second and fourth row. Now what about first, third and fifth row? Simply generate the else block for j is equal to I, j greater than equal to 1, j minus minus, then print the value of j. Basically we are reversing the loop. Again print the value of j like this. You have to print the value of j, but this time the value of j is in reverse order. And in this block, value of j is in increasing order. 1 to I, here I to 1. Minus minus is there. Let's execute. Yes. The output is there 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now what about the next one? In next one, first term is as it is, second is reversed, and fourth is reversed. What we have to do, apply here not equal to, nothing else. It means if I modulus 2 is not equal to 0, then increasing order, otherwise in decreasing order. Now execute the program. Yes, output is there, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I change the value from 5 to 9, then I can print accordingly. Execute the program. Yes, output is there. You can print according to your choice. You can enter the data from user side also. You can enter this number. You can write here n, and you can print n from user side, and how many number of rows are required for this pattern, you can print accordingly. Hope you understand the content of designing this type of pattern. Thanks for watching my video.